this is the design. So I'm sitting on this box here. Then 1, 2, 3. It's these ones here. The small one is there. This is what we've been doing. So this, well, 150 beams, which is all of this. It's not exactly 150. It's more than 150. 150 millimeters, 15 centimeters. Then there's Y bar, or there's Y12 bar, top and bottom. Y bar is this one, and then Y8 stirrups, which are these hooks. It's this stuff here, and then 20 ampere concrete. It's supposed to be 25, so there will be concrete poured all over this. 250 micron plastic, this green stuff here. Mesh wire 193, this stuff here, but I ordered 2 whatever, which is a little bit stronger. But yeah, this is the setup. Then the slab is 100 mils. I think 100 mils is 4-inch in America. I think 4-inch slab. So yeah, this is what we've been doing. This here is the bending schedule for the Reaper. I did not really follow this, but this just shows the quantities and the lengths for the steel, this stuff here. Oh yeah, this thing here also says center to center by 500 mils. Let's check. So center to center, so it could be 50. That's 500 mils. But we sort of made it 40. So it's within the design. Yeah, anyway, the center to center is the spacing, so it's spaced every 500 mils, maximum 500 mils. Yeah, it's not perfect, but I've done my best. All that's remaining is to put the shutters to form this section, and then we pour the concrete. I've already ordered the concrete, so yeah, that was my last expense. We're good to go. The concrete was 50,000 rand, which is like more than what we've spent so far. So it's more than half the cost. Oh, I want to read these notes. I'm not sure if you can see them. All building work to be done according to SAPS 1200, and sands 10400. Compacted material under earth strip foundation to be tested and results to be forwarded to engineer. Minimum concrete strength 28 days. Reinforced slab rafts 25 MPa 19mm aggregate. Minimum splice length 50x. Oh yeah, the overlap. So something like this. So it should be 50 times the diameter. Well, that's what that note says. I made it 60 just for peace of mind. And what's the other note? Minimum concrete cover 550 mils. Concrete should be cured, kept permanently wet for 5 days minimum. Formwork for slabs must stay in position for at least 14 days. All dimensions should be checked with corresponding architect's drawings prior to construction. No concrete may be placed prior to approval of the fixed position reinforcing by the engineer. Oh yeah, he needs to come and check this. Waterproofing according to architect's drawings. Yeah, I will do all of that.